Assalamualaikum. We are from Hedge Consulting Group Sdn Bhd presenting to you a request for proposal for Embracing New Norms campaign in Seremban. I am Nur Alia binti Ahmad Lutfi, a project leader for this proposal. Hedge Consulting Sdn Bhd is a consulting firm that achieves excellent results by combining acquired knowledge, industry expertise, and innovation. Our company's commitment to provide clients with uncompromising consultation and assistance that benefits our clients and the community in the most sustainable way guides our business philosophy. We hope to provide you with strategic insights and long-term solutions through great ideas and unique thought process. Our top objective is to offer comprehensive improvements in the level and culture of project management to improve our clients' and society's overall prosperity and standard of living. We are located in Seremban 2, Negeri Sembilan. We began as a legal entity in 2015 as Hedge Consulting Group Sdn Bhd. Since then, we've gained expertise managing both large and small projects, whether the government or the private sector propose them. We are highly honored to submit and bid on this proposal to provide an Embracing New Norms campaign based on our expertise and experience. Throughout the establishment of our company, we received a few awards. The most valuable awards that we received is ICQ Global Awards 2019 and 2019 Excellent Awards, the most outstanding consultation company category. Our first major project began in 2016 to build facilities in the new township of Bandar Seri Sendayan, named as the Tempat Country Club. The project was estimated to cost around 3 million ringgit. Secondly, consulting for construction and building Seremban 2 Hill Park with IJM Land Developers. This project was located in Seremban 2 and was valued at RM99,000 ringgit.
Hi, my name is Farah Najwa and I will continue the presentation with reviewing our project work objectives. So the first one, we need to complete the campaign project within the project's budget and the time constraint. Given the project's budget was 1 million and the time was 2 years. Next, to facilitate the client in giving the best event towards spreading the awareness and information of COVID-19 in three aspects of social distance, wear face masks and washing hands. In order to give the best event, we use a variety of medium communication, which we need to assist the client attaining the great values of having our campaign. Furthermore, we generate a positive approach in delivering the information of COVID-19 without committing any violation to standard operating procedures (SOP), which means that we follow the rules or the SOP of COVID-19 during project implementation. Lastly, to lay out the full extent of all the possible risks of the commencement of the project where injuries among team members that might be happen among team members while giving the flyers, attending the TV shows and others.
Next, in management section, there are the description work tasks. So in this section, we will provide the description of work tasks which is involved in this project. The description of work tasks is divided into 6 main medium of the communication that we will provide to our client. So first, advertisement. So in advertisement, we will consult our client by providing our skills and knowledge on how we advertise this campaign through the external advertisement. So in the external advertisement, we will use the advertisement on the billboard, train, bus, radio and television as the medium to running this campaign. This project will be handled by the marketing team, which led by Mr. Anwar as the marketing manager. Next, for public relation, we will consult our client regarding this medium of communication that will be used. So this campaign will be using public relation as the medium of communication to make this campaign happen in Seremban City. In public relation, we will use local media such as television, and we will invite the speaker which is Dr. Puan Nur Rashikin from the Hospital Tengku Jaafar, which she will appear in television, radio, interview and press conference to give a talk about this campaign. Miss Amira and the team will be responsible person to conduct this activity and make sure that this campaign will work efficiently through the public relation medium. Next, for direct marketing, in this direct marketing that will be handled by a consultant team which lead by Miss Nurfatihah Nabila, and they will design and create the leaflets for this campaign, and the leaflet will be designed by the graphic and design team. Other than that, in direct marketing, we will consult our client about the contamination card that we will be used in this campaign. This marketing team, which is marketing manager and the graphic design, will provide the design for the contamination card for this campaign. And this project will also consult our client about the door-to-door conversing to make this campaign successful. Next, for the deliverables, a project deliverable is a service or product that the project creates for the user, client or project sponsor. It is the good or service delivered by the company to its stakeholder. A deliverable is a product or service that given to the client in the project management. In the simply put, a deliverable usually has due date and it is tangible, measurable and specific. In this project, we have provided the client with several deliverables. Our first deliverable for the advertisement is the billboard. The implementation of the billboard as one of the methods in the advertisement for this campaign. The client will be able to receive the advertisement that will be provided by our project team. Moreover, under the advertisement, we will use the advertisement on the train, which means there will be a poster of the campaign on the train at the KTM Seremban station. Besides that, the deliverable for the advertisement is our team will provide the campaign advertisement sticker poster for the bus in Seremban. Other than that, our team also provide the advertisement by using the television and radio platform to promote this campaign and attract all the residents to know about this campaign. Our second deliverable that we will serve in the public relation is our team project will provide the briefing about the campaign to the local media such as television, radio, press conference and the online media. In public relation, our team will invite the speaker from the Hospital Tengku Jaafar to appear in the TV show which is Malaysia Hari Ini and attend the talk regarding to this campaign at the Era FM. And the speaker also will attend the press conference event for Berita Harian, and she also will attend the interview for the digital newspaper to talk about this campaign. Next, in the public relation medium, our team will provide the client with the event launching, which is the launching of the campaign to make it official for the Seremban city resident. Besides that, for this campaign, our team will provide the council newsletters to promote this campaign, and our team also will include the advertorial services in iKesihatan magazine, in Berita Harian newspaper, in the iKesihatan website, in TV3 and also in Sinar FM. Our third deliverable in the direct marketing is our team project will provide the flyers and the contamination card for this campaign for all the Seremban city residents. In direct marketing, we will provide the best design and present to our client before we distribute the flyers and the contamination card through the door-to-door conversing and through the campaign kiosk. For this activity, our team also provide the COVID-19 essentials such as face mask and hand sanitizer to make sure we achieve the campaign objective, which is delivering the right information about social distancing, wear face mask, wash hand and using the hand sanitizing to prevent the COVID-19 virus from spread among the residents. Our fourth deliverable for the community engagement is that our team project will provide an event to promote the campaign to all the Seremban City residents. Besides that, in the community engagement, our team will provide the roadshow in which we make a collaboration with the Food Panda, which we will design the poster about the campaign for the Food Panda thermal bag, and they will bring the campaign poster all around the Seremban City area. Moreover, under the community engagement, there will be a drop-in day and the volunteerism for the campaign, and also the mural painting that we will make with the mural artist to create a mural about the campaign at the certain area in the Seremban city, which to make sure that all the citizens receive the information about the campaign. Our fifth deliverable for online is that our project team will create the email for this campaign and create the council website for the Seremban city resident to freely search about our campaign through this platform. Even if they are at home, they still can find the information about the campaign by using their handphone. Other than that, we will create the mobile digital application for this campaign so that the Seremban city resident can download this application and gain the information about the campaign. Besides that, our team also will provide the Zoom and Telegram for this campaign for the residents so that they can join the talk about the campaign through this platform. Our last but not least deliverable for social media is we will create and design a creative poster to post through the all social media such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, blogs, and Instagram. For social media, we will provide the attractive poster and content that we will post in all the social media. So the young generation is also will interested with our campaign and share about this campaign, posting to their friends and family. For social media posting, we can use creative and attractive posting to attract people to read about the campaign. Moreover, for Twitter, we can create the popular hashtag such as Sanitizer Dora to attract the young generation and make our hashtag go trending in the Malaysia. Next, for the project schedule, this project will take 2 years, which is from 1st September 2021 until 20 August 2023. In this campaign, there are 6 main mediums of communication to deliver about the 3 important aspects, which are about social distancing, wearing a face mask, washing hand, and using hand sanitizer. The advertisement will be conducted in 85 days, which is to complete all the advertisement activities such as advertisements on the billboard, on train, bus, radio, and television. Next, for the public relation activity will be conducted in 90 days for completing all the process of the public relation, which is include briefing on the local media, event launching, press packs and press briefing, council new letters, and advertorials. Next, for the direct marketing activity will be conducted in 120 days to complete the main activity, which is making the flyers, produce the contamination card, providing the COVID-19 essential aid, which is face mask and hand sanitizing, doing the door-to-door conversing, and build the campaign kiosk, and followed by the next activity, which is community engagement, will take 130 days in completing the event, the volunteerism, the mural painting, drop in a day, and the roadshow activity for this campaign. Next, for the online activity will be conducted in 60 days to complete the activity for creating the email, creating the council website, mobile digital application, Zoom, and Telegram. For the social media activity will be conducted in 36 days to complete the process of creating and design the campaign, posting, and content for the media social accounts such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, blog, and Instagram. Next, for the related experience, Heritage Consultancy Sdn Bhd is one of the business in Malaysia that provide consulting service for launching the campaign in Malaysia. We began as a legal entity in 2015 as Heritage Consulting Group Sdn Bhd. Since then, we have gained expertise in managing both large and small projects, whether the government or the private sector that propose them. We are highly honoured to submit and bid on this proposal to provide embarrassing new norm campaign that based on our expertise and experience. So the first project is that we have handled is Discover Seremban. Our client for this project is Seremban City Council, and the location for this project is Seremban City. The service that we provide for our client is the consultation on the Discover Seremban campaign, and for the completion date is in 2017, and the project value is about 2 million. Next, the next project is Beli Barangan Malaysia campaign, and our client is from Ministry of Domestic Trade and Consumer Affairs, and the location for this campaign is at Seremban 2 City, and the service that we provide is also a consultation on the Beli Barangan Malaysia campaign, and the completion date for this campaign is in 2020, and the project value for this campaign is about 3 million. Next, we also have experience in handling the project of Jom Kita Kumpul dan Tukar campaign. This project is by Subang Jaya Council, and the location for this campaign is at Subang Jaya. We also provide the consultation on the Jom Kita Kumpul dan Tukar campaign, and the completion date for this project is in 2016. The project value for this campaign is about 1 million.
And now I will explain in technical section. In every project management, the project manager should have some skill set of technical abilities to supervise throughout the whole implementation of the project, such as able to use the Microsoft project in making the Gantt chart and network diagram of the project, can provide communication tools such as collaborative messaging software, manage to develop project papers, assigning duties for the staff, and must record the documentation of the relevant processes and practices that are part of the project, and able to know IT structures in depth in regards to their projects. We further identify any technical problems that might occur in making the project by the Hedge Consulting Group Sdn Bhd that will follow the possible solutions in addressing the issues that arise. As we can see, these two issues is high, the priorities, which means we need to we need to solve this issue first rather than other issues. So that's why it is high. And the first issue is lack of strategy IT planning, and the second one is defect on the mobile application. The responsible person for the first issue is project manager and administrative. The strategy is we come up with strategy IT planning and risk management. For the second one is department who are responsible is engineering department and marketing, that we come up with social media promotion. For the medium priorities is not as big a problem as the high one. So the third issue, that medium, is design issues. The department who are responsible is project manager, administrative, marketing, and engineering department. They come up with new trendy graphics, visuals, and tools. Also creative design software. For the fourth issue is internet connection and online communication system barriers. Departments that who are responsible is project manager, administrative, and planning and research development. They come out with internet allocation to all the staffs, and also voice over IP. And the least priorities, which is low, is unskilled laborers. Departments that are responsible for this issue is project manager, administrative, and planning and research development. They come out with basic IT and online courses, and also employees training program.
We were given 1 million ringgit for this project. As you can see, this is our estimation for labor cost. we have 6 top-level managers and 15 assistant management. The total for this labor cost is 600 to 1,400 ringgit for 2 years. The cost for material and equipment for this project is 13,600 ringgit, and for machines, we bought a few devices to make the project run smoothly. The cost of all machines is 22,100 ringgit. For facilities, we need these materials for the events that cost 13,200 ringgit, and for overhead cost is 28,800 ringgit. For transportation, we decide to rent a lorry and 2 vans that cost 13,200 ringgit and pay Foodpanda for 2 years collaboration and designing and bought their thermal bag for 24,200 ringgit. For promotion, we estimate to pay 1,100, 12,500 ringgit. As you know, during COVID-19, most of the people stay at home, and this is one of the ways how we decide to spread the awareness about COVID-19. Also, we plan to buy COVID-19 essentials kit to be given to Seremban citizen that cost 70,000 ringgit. So, the total of cost estimation for this project is 900,000 ringgit. We decide to take 10% from the budget to put as a contingency amount, as there is a lot of risk that can be happen along this project. The contingency cost is 100,000 ringgit. This table shows the percentage that we divide according to materials. As you can see, the highest percentage is on labor costs, as we have a lot of workers, which 60.24%, followed by the promotion, which 11.25%. We will use 90% of the cost for this project and 10% for contingency costs.
This analysis is important for the project to detect any damage that might be happen, and the project leader responsible for the conducting brainstorming session with the team to analyze any potential risks that might arise during the project implementation. To limit the risk impact, we need to list out the risks and have a proper plan for the risks that being identified. So here we have 4 risks that we identified in our project. The first one is rainy season during project implementation. It being responsible by Fatiha, which we assume it have a high occurrence in our project that caused the project delay, low attendance and a financial loss. However, it impact with the medium level, as Fatiha and the team have weather forecast 2 days before the day of project implementation, and the backup plan was reserve indoor place to ensure the project can be proceed in bad weather. Next is design typo for the advertisement. It have impact with the medium occurrence in our project, which caused to the team feel unmotivated and the delay of project. Anwar and the team responsible for often check design selected, and the backup plan was do survey for the design selected and quickly deal with the supplier. Control system. Hatch Consulting view that the control system is important in every project conducted, as to keep track the project progress and development. So the person in charge will compare the project's expected and actual progress. This control system is crucial to eliminate any defects in the project at hand. Therefore, the task must be done within the time frame set by the project manager. In control system, we recorded the errors as to ensure the responsible department or person could reduce the errors by taking remedial action to keep the procedure on track. Furthermore, in the control system, we have the preparation project on schedule determination, costing and budgeting, and also evaluation of management system. The schedule determination, we need to create the schedule in necessary within the activities that being considered in our project. It is to avoid any delay in our project and determine the corrective actions. So after we detect the corrective action, we need to recalculating the schedule. The costing and budgeting involve the promotion, advertising and sponsorship activities, and also the financial allocation need to be planning and a cost control. Consulting organization will try to not exceed the budget given, which is 1 million. The evaluation of management system, we have the regular meetings and do the reports to make sure the project in the track and the progress also in a track. If the project is in the delay, we need to investigate the reasons of the delays. Lastly, we have the contingency plan. This plan was to deal with the possibility that might be happening in our project. This is to assist our manager in evaluating the actual performance and the expected outcomes. Once the project being completed, there will be no problems or issue in our project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Iskandar bin Azami. So I would like to explain about work breakdown structure. So what is the work breakdown structure? Work breakdown structure, WES, in project management is a method for completing a complex multi-step project. It is a way to divide and conquer large project to get things done faster and more efficiently. So our WBS goal is to make a large project more manageable. Breaking it down into smaller chunks means work can be done simultaneously by different team members, leading to better team productivity and easier project management. So we can see our WBS. So firstly, we have all 195 activity. So we have a group wide activity. For example, first we go to the main activity. So we have 6 main activity, which are firstly advertisement, public relation, direct technique marketing, community engagement, online and social media. So below the main activity, we have also breakdown activities. So each main activity have at least 5 breakdown activity. For example, advertisement, we have billboard, train, bus, radio and television. But below the breakdown activity, we also have many activity, so it can be more manageable, so that activity can be done, and also it also can be done simultaneously. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Iskandar. So we go to the Gantt chart. So what is Gantt chart? A Gantt chart is a bar chart that provides a visual view of project task schedule over time. A Gantt chart is used for project planning. It is a useful way of showing what work is scheduled to be done on specific days. It helps project managers and team members view the start dates, end dates and milestones of a project schedule in one simple bar chart. So on a Gantt chart, we can easily see the start date of the project schedule, what the project tasks are, which team member is working on each task, when tasks start and finish, how long each task will take, how tasks group together will overlap and link with each other, task dependencies, milestone and the critical part of your project, and also the finish date of the project. So as we can see, our Gantt chart, the start date is 1st September 2021 and the end date is 30 August 2023, which is the duration is 2 years. So as you can see, the vertical axis of our Gantt chart shows the tasks that need to be complete, while the horizontal axis represents the project timeline. As you input tasks, their start dates, their end dates and their appendices bars on the step bar chart will populate, which represent task duration. Next, we go to the network diagram. Network diagram defined as a graphical representation of all project duties, responsibilities, and workflows. This is applied to present the timeline and job cycle of the project as well as to chart its progress through each phase, up to and including completion. So network diagram illustrates the scope of our project and it covers every single action and outcome associated with the project. So as we can see, this is our network diagram.
This is the diagram of responsibility matrix. So the project manager likes using a responsibility matrix to identify the role of the various members of this project team. This matrix is a structural chart in which it is visually made clear what should be done by whom. So these are the list name that have come out from the list of responsibility matrix table. So the primary or person who responsible for this campaign, Embracing New Norms campaign, is Anwar, which he under the WBS activities is also the first, which under advertisement he also the primary one, and secondary is for the person who that might help the primary task. So these all are the list name for the people that might help Anwar, who's person in charge for this campaign. But there are also the primary one for the main subtopic like public relation, direct marketing is there are other people who are also the primary person in charge. And that's all the presentation from our team project. I would like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. I hope our explanation will make you considerate of our proposal. So thank you.